Recently, after clearing, he got me an interview within 2 weeks of clearing my CPA, and I got selected. Hello everybody, this is Gaurav Gambhir. I'm a recent CPA pass out from Simandhar Education. I have known Simandhar Education from 2016, where I first attended a session on CPA at the Begumpet office, and then later on in 2020 I have joined the institute for pursuing my CPA, and I've completed the course in exact 1 year. Simandhar provides the guidance for everything from start to finish, helps you with your career and with the placements. Sripal sir has provided all the classes, the facilities, whatever you need to be successful in your life. And recently, after clearing, he got me an interview within 2 weeks of clearing my CPA, and I got selected right after giving my interview. Anybody wants to pursue CPA, you can approach Simandhar. I think it is the best institute to provide you with the guidance you need in order to excel with your career. So think CPA, think Simandhar. Thank you.